Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Gentlemen, if you're past 50, this is something worth paying attention to. Many men assume their hormones slow down simply because another birthday shows up. But often, the real issue starts lower, deep in the hips, glutes, and the muscles that support your entire foundation. When those areas stop moving the way they used to, strength, stability, and overall vitality begin to fade. Today I'm walking you through a science-backed squat series designed to reawaken the lower body, fire up the muscles that support hormonal balance, and help you feel stronger and more grounded. Let's get right into the sequence. 1. Deep ground squat. Begin by sinking slowly into a deep squat. Let your feet rotate out naturally, and keep your heels glued to the floor. Lift your chest, lengthen your spine, and bring your hands together in front of your heart. Use your elbows to gently press your knees outward. Take calm breaths as your hips open. This simple position restores mobility that many men lose over time. It encourages the hips, ankles, and pelvic floor to move again, improves lower body circulation, and wakes up muscles that play an important role in your physical and hormonal well-being. Consider this the root of true lower body strength. 2. Squat mobility twist. From that deep squat, grow tall through the spine. Keep your core steady. Press one forearm gently into your knee as you rotate your torso upward, stretching the opposite arm toward the ceiling. Move deliberately and switch sides smoothly. This twist loosens the spine, strengthens your core, and enhances your rotational control. As your midsection rotates more freely, tension in the back eases and blood flow improves through the center of your body. 3. Horse stance hold. Step your feet wide and angle your toes outward. Lower yourself into a strong horse stance. Keep your torso upright and hold steady as your thighs begin to awaken. This still position challenges the inner thighs, glutes, and pelvic floor all at once, muscles that tend to go quiet with age. Rebuilding these connections helps restore strength, grounding, and a sense of physical presence many men haven't felt in years. 4. Squat to tiptoe. Bring your feet back to a natural stance. Drop into a squat, then rise onto your tiptoes as high as you can. Lower into the squat again and repeat the flow. This variation lights up the calves, often called the second heart, because of how they help push blood upward. Strengthening them boosts lower body circulation and brings more energy into the legs and pelvic region. 5. Squat with side power kick. Lower into a squat and keep your knees tracking with your toes. As you stand up, extend one leg out to the side in a smooth, controlled kick. Keep your core tight so your body stays steady. Return to the squat and switch sides. This move strengthens the outer hips and the glute medius, a muscle that tends to fall asleep in men who sit a lot or move less with age. You'll feel improvements in balance, stability, and lateral strength. 6. Squat and knee drive. Start with a deep squat. As you stand, lift one knee up toward your chest with control. Drop back into the squat and repeat with the other knee. Keep your spine tall and your core engaged. This combination improves coordination and boosts circulation through the entire lower body. It also strengthens the hip flexors, lower abs, and pelvic muscles, areas that help you feel lighter, quicker, and more responsive in everyday life. 7. Good morning squat. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart and place your hands behind your head. Hinge forward from your hips as if bowing, keeping your back long. Then lower into a squat and rise back up. This two-part movement strengthens the entire backside of your body, the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. These muscles are essential for posture, structural strength, and overall male wellness. 8. Jump squat. Finish strong. Drop into a squat, then burst upward into a controlled jump. Land softly and flow right back into the next squat. This final move activates fast-twitch fibers, sharpens your nervous system, and gives your lower body a powerful finishing boost. Gentlemen, practice this squat series 4 to 5 times a week. Think of it not as a shortcut or a miracle solution, but as a way to restore the signals your body has been waiting for. Men don't slow down because of age alone. They slow down when they stop challenging their bodies the way they once did. If you want a part 2 with an advanced, power squat routine, drop a yes in the comments, and I'll put it together for you.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.